Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making palak chicken. For this you need the palak and you need to cut it. After cutting, just do the other cuttings too, like the tomatoes and the onion. We need 2 onions. Cut it in the slices, and now we're gonna add the water in it and cover it for like 5 minutes. As you can see, it's boiled. Now we're gonna put it in the juicer and we're gonna blend it until it's a smooth paste. Add ½ cup of oil. Put the onions in. Fry it until it's golden brown. Now add some chicken. You can add the spices, the whole spices too. Ginger garlic paste. And some chilies, 2-3 chilies. Now fry all this until it's all mixed up. Now we're gonna add the tomatoes, 2 tomatoes. We're gonna mix it properly. Now we're gonna add the spices. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and coriander powder and red chili powder. When the oil comes up, now we're gonna add the yogurt in it, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and we're gonna fry it. And now we're gonna add our palak. See, it's ready. Just do try my recipe and let me know how it was. Thank you.